Let me guess. You looked in the mirror today and thought, why don't I look like her? But here's the plot twist nobody tells you. You're not ugly. You're just missing 3 things that literally change your whole vibe. And no, it's not makeup, money, or magical genetics. The third one hurts, but it also fixes everything. Stay till the end. The first thing you're missing is energy. Not the drink a coffee and act hyper kind. I'm talking about that energy that walks into a room before you even do. Pretty girls don't just look pretty. They feel pretty. They move like they deserve the space they're in. They sit straight. They don't hide their face with their sleeves. They don't apologize for existing. There is a version of you who already looks 10x better. She's just standing up straighter, talking slower, and not shrinking herself like a tiny scared marshmallow. Start with this. Every time you walk past a mirror today, fix your posture, lift your chin, and pretend you're someone who people stare at. Your brain will follow your body language. Your energy will follow your brain, and people will follow you. The second thing you're missing is consistency. Not long routines, not expensive routines, just the consistency that every glowing girl secretly has. Most people aren't born pretty, they build it. Clear skin, daily sunscreen. Soft lips, a $2 lip balm used 3 times a day, not once a week. Cute vibe, brushed eyebrows, hydrated skin, and the same bedtime every night. You're not seeing results because you glow up for one day and then disappear like a Netflix show that got canceled after season 1. Try this. Pick 3 tiny habits: water, daily sunscreen, and a clean pillowcase once a week. Do those for 30 days. You'll start looking like a main character without doing anything extreme. And now the painful one. The one that changes everything. The one most girls avoid. You're not ugly. You're just comparing yourself to people who don't even look like themselves. You're fighting filters, lighting, angles, editing apps, and girls who take 200 pictures just to post one. You're comparing your real face to someone else's perfect moment. No wonder you feel behind. So here's what actually fixes your ugly feeling. Stop scrolling for 1 week. Just one. Watch how your brain starts seeing you instead of her. Watch how you suddenly notice your eyes, your smile, your features, without comparing them to a stranger in LA with a $600 hair appointment. Once comparison dies, confidence grows. And once confidence grows, people see you differently, even if your face never changes. You're not ugly. You're just missing energy, consistency, and self-respect. Fix those 3 things, and people will start asking if you did something to your face. But nope, you just finally chose you. If you want a part 2, the glow up edition, let me know.